Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Narissa and today's makeup tutorial has been inspired by the color brown. So I was randomly looking at some stuff and I saw the color brown and I was like, I'm gonna do a makeup look. So I decided to pull out my more second nature palette and some other brown colors that I had just in my makeup collection, like this pencil here, and I was like, let me make something really pretty. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to start with my eyes. I already did my highlight and contour off camera, so I'm going to start with the color Contour. The next color I'm going to use is going to be Dust. Next, I'm going to go in the corner with the color Brunette. The next color that I'm going to use is going to be Universal. I'm just going to use that under my brow line. Next, I'm going to use my Milani Brunette liner or brow gel cream. Yeah, I'm just getting all my words mixed up today. So, okay, now I'm going to use my e.l.f. Smudge Pot, and this is in the color Brownie Points. And it's really creamy. So I would say don't sleep on e.l.f. products. Okay, next I'm going to use my Milani Shadow Eye, and I'm going to use this right here. I would say that Milani is probably my favorite drugstore brand. I'm never like disappointed in the way their products look. So that's a good thing. Now I'm going to use my Milani Supreme Black is Coal eyeliner. Now for a little mascara. Now I'm going to use my e.l.f. liquid liner. And it's in the color Charcoal. Next, I'm going to actually put on some lashes that I found at the drumroll, dun, 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 Dollar General. Can you believe it? So I found these and I said, why not try? So I'm actually going to probably put these on off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to use this Black Radiance blush on my cheeks. And I'm going to use something that I haven't used in a while, which is actually, oops, it's actually my highlight from my Perception Collection palette. Okay. And then next, a little here. Just a smudge. Trying to make sure it's not too shiny. I don't know, for some reason, y'all, I have the sniffles. So now I'm going to finish off with my lips and I'm going to use these two combos. So this is the Wet n Wild in the color Plumberry. And this is just a matte lip gloss. It's in the color Wineberry. And this is the Nika K. And I found this at my local beauty supply store. And one thing I will say about this brand of matte lipstick, it literally will stay on all day long. Eating, drinking, literally will not budge. So if you're looking for something that is, I guess, on the more affordable side and you're not trying to spend a whole lot of money, but you want a matte lipstick that's going to last, get this. But what I will say is you need to make sure you moisturize your lips whenever you put on any type of matte lipstick or lip gloss because it can be very drying underneath. And then that's when you get the peeling of the skin and stuff like that. And that's just not cute. So, but look, let's take out these clips and give you all the completed completed look. Oh gosh. Okay everyone, that brings us to the end of today's makeup tutorial. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can find me on social media, Facebook at Nerissa Explains It All, and Instagram also at Nerissa Explains It All. I can't wait to see you guys again soon. Bye!